Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so today we learn about the relationship between rank and nullity, and also we do an exercise. Okay, so the relationship, so let A be a matrix. Okay, so recall back, dimension of each column space is equal to dimension of each row space is called rank of A. Okay, so kita tengok dimension untuk column space tu berapa and row space tu berapa. So that one we call it as rank of A. So dia pun bersamaan dengan rank of A. Okay. And then the dimensions of each null space is called nullity of A. And then here the relationship, the nullity of A is equal to rank of A, which is okay. So the nullity of A plus by rank of A, it is equal to number of column of A. Okay, so nullity tambahkan dengan rank dia sama dengan number of column untuk matrix A. But nullity of A transpose plus rank of A transpose, it is equal to number of row of A. And then C, nullity of A is equal to number of free variable. Okay. And then rank of A, it is equal to rank of A transpose. Then number of 0 row when A is reduced to row echelon form is equal to row of A minus by rank of A. Okay. Okay, so rank of A ni yang non-zero row. Tapi untuk cari dia punya zero row, kita just row of matrix A tolakkan dengan rank of A. Okay. Contoh matrix A. So ni matrix A, kita ada 1, 2, 3, 4 kolom, 4 row. And then transform kepada row echelon form. Okay, so kita ada dua yang non-zero row. And then we have 2 zero row. Okay, so to find so these 2 non-zero row will form the basis for the row space. Okay, so the dimension 2 lah, sebab dia ada 2 vektor nanti. Okay, so therefore the rank of A is equal to 2. Okay, so 2. Okay, so selebihnya ni adalah 0 row. So therefore to find the 0 row is row of A dia tak akan berkurang, tak akan bertambah semasa kita buat ERO minus by rank of A. Okay, so we can get the number of 0 row. Okay, so yang lain macam tu lah. So rank of A is equal to rank of A transpose. Nullity of A is equal to number of free variable. Okay, so free variable yang mana? Yang dia tak ada leading 1 tu. Okay. Kalau ingatlah video yang lepas. Okay, so example this one. If A is 6 by 5 matrix with rank A transpose equal to 3. So find the nullity of A transpose. Okay, so nullity, so we have the formula nullity of A transpose plus by rank of A transpose, it is equal to number of row of matrix A. So nullity of A transpose, so we don't have, so we need to calculate, is equal to number of row of matrix A minus by rank of A transpose. Okay, so number of row of matrix A. Okay, so this one row times column, so it have 6 row and 5 column, so which is 6 minus by rank of A transpose, which is 3. So the answer is 3. And then number 2, nullity of A. So nullity of A plus by rank of A is equal to number of column of A. Okay, so nullity of A is equal to number of column of matrix A minus by rank of A. Okay, so number of column of matrix A, we have 5 column. So rank of matrix A, so rank of matrix A, it is equal to rank of A transpose minus by 3. So the answer is 2. Next, another example. Let matrix A be a 5 by 7 matrix. Okay, so 5 row and 7 column. If number of vectors for row space of A is 4. Okay, so untuk row space dia, number of vector dia ada 4. So find the rank of A transpose. Okay, so therefore this one is actually the basis. Okay, so the number of basis vector. Okay, so if number of vectors for the basis of row space of A is 4, so find rank of AT. So this one meaning that the rank of A is equal to 4. Okay, so sebab basis tu ada 4 vektor. So basis ada 4 vektor. So basis untuk row space tu, so maksudnya dimension of the row space is 4. Since the dimension of the row space is 4, so the rank of A also is 4. So rank of A transpose, so rank of A transpose, it is equal to rank of A, so which is equal to 4. Then number 2, nullity. Okay, so nullity of A, we have formula plus rank of A is equal to number of column of A. Okay, so nullity of A, it is equal to number of column. So number of column, which is 7, minus by rank of A. So rank of A is 4. So the answer is 3. Then number 3, number of free variable. Okay, so number of free variable, it is equal to okay, so number of free variables, it is equal to nullity of A. Okay, so it is equal to 3. And then number 4, number of 0 rows. Okay, so number of 0 rows when A is reduced into a row echelon form, it is equal to row of A minus by rank of A, so which is equal to 5 minus by rank dia 4. Okay, so the answer is 1. Okay, so another example. If A be a 4 by 6 matrix and nullity of A is equal to 3, so find the rank of A. Okay, so rank of A, so we have the formula which is nullity of A plus rank of A is equal to number of column of matrix A. Okay, so nullity of A, which is 3, plus rank of A, so ni tak ada C is equal to number of column. So berapa column dia? So row times by column, which is 6. Okay, so rank of A is equal to 6 minus by 3. So the answer is 3. Then number 2, number of non-zero rows. Okay, so number of non-zero rows when A is reduced to row echelon form. Okay, so it is equal to non-zero. Okay, so it is equal to rank of A. Okay, so kita tengok yang atas tadi. Okay, Okay, so 0 row. So 0 row kita cari row minus by rank of A. Okay, sebelum masuk kat sini, ni number of 0 rows equal to row of A minus by non-zero row lah. Okay, so rank of A ni adalah non-zero row. Okay, so kalau pada yang asal pun konsep dia, so this one ada tak? Tak ada, saya tak tulis. Okay, so rank of A, this one actually is equal to number of non-zero row. Okay, number of non-zero row of A after when A is reduced into row echelon form. Okay, so therefore for this one the answer is equal to 3. Okay, then number 3, nullity of A transpose. Okay, so nullity of A transpose plus rank of A transpose is equal to number of row of matrix A. Okay, so nullity of A transpose plus, so rank of A transpose, it is equal to rank of A. So rank of A is 3, is equal to number of row which is 4. So nullity dia is equal to 4 minus by 3, which is equal to 1. Okay, so exercise sikit untuk ni. Okay, so given the matrix A, this one, so determine the null space and column space. Okay, okay, so column space ni cari dia punya basis lah. Okay, so find the null space. Okay, so to find the null space, so first we need to write down this matrix in terms of Ax equal to 0. So negative 1, 2, 0, 4, 5, negative 3, 3, negative 7, 2, 0, 1, 4, and then 2, negative 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 4, negative 9, 2, negative 4, negative 4, 7. Okay, so we have here x1, x2, x3, x4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6x. Okay, so x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so kat sini macam mana nak tahu dalam 3, 4? So 4 sebab kita ada 4 row. Okay, and then do it the Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Okay, so negative 1, 2, 0, 4, 5, negative 3, so 3, negative 7, 2, so 2, 0, 1, 4, 2, negative 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, and then 4, negative 9, 2, negative 4, negative 4, 7. 0, 0 ni pun tak tulis pun tak apalah, sebab 0, 0 ni bila korang buat ERO, dia tak berubah apa-apa pun, dia tak akan jadi nombor sebab dia dah memang kosong. Okay, so dia akan dapat kosong. Okay, so using the Gauss-Jordan elimination method, reduce this matrix into reduced row echelon form. So first make it this one as leading 1. Okay, so times by negative. Okay, so negative row 1 and put back at row 1. Okay, so we have 1, negative 2, 0, negative 4, negative 5, 3. And then 3, negative 7, 2, 0, 1, 4. And then 2, negative 5, 2, 4, 6, 1. Then 4, negative 9, 2, negative 4, negative 4, 7. And then make it this one 0, 0, and 0. Okay, so we have 3 formula. So row 2 minus 3 row 1, put back at row number 1, row number 2, and row 3 minus 2 row 1 and put back at row number 3, and row 4 minus 4 row 1 and put back at row number 4. Okay, so 3 minus by 3, 0. Okay, so first row didn't change, so 1, 2, 0, negative 4, negative 5, 3. Okay, so 3 times minus by 3, 0. Negative 7 minus by 3 times negative 2. So negative 7 plus by 6, negative 1. And then 2 minus by 3 times 0, 2. And then 0, negative 3, positive 12. Then 1 minus plus 15, 16. Then 4 minus 9, negative 5. Then 2 minus 2, 0. Negative 5 plus by 4, negative 1. And then 2 minus 0, 2. And then 4 plus by 12, 16. Then 6, 4, bukan. Okay, so 4 minus by 2 times by negative 4. Okay, so 8. 4 plus 8, which is 12. And then 6 minus by 2 times by negative 5. So 6 plus by 10, 16. Then 1 minus by 6, negative 5. Then 4 minus by 4, 0. Then negative 9 plus 8, negative 1. And then 2, so 2. Then negative 4 minus by 4, 16. So negative 4 plus 16, 12. Then negative 4 plus 20, 16. Then 7 minus by 12, negative 5. Okay. And then make it this one as a leading 1. Okay, so jadikan ini sebagai leading 1. So we use negative row 2 and put back at row number 2. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 0, negative 4, negative 5, 3. And here 0, 1, negative 2, negative 12, negative 16, and 5. And here is 0, negative 1, 2, 12, 16, negative 5. Then 0, negative 1, 2, 12, 16, and negative 5. Okay. Okay, so panjang ni. Okay, so korang buat exam nanti kena berhati-hati lah. So biasanya akan careless lah kat mana-mana kira tu. Okay. Okay, so lagi-lagi kalau tiba-tiba student tu sama je salah dia, terpelik lah juga kan. Tiba-tiba dia salah kat sini dia jadi 13, yang lain pun sama, tiba-tiba sini 13. Tu tak tahulah, pelik lah kan. Okay. Apa tu maksudnya? Tak tahulah. Okay. Okay, and then make it this one become 0 and this one become 0. Okay, so row 3 plus by row 2 and put back at row number 3. And for the fourth row also same, row 4 plus row 2 and put back at row number 4. Alamak, dah pernah tulis. Okay, saya dah tulis balik ni. Okay, so make it this one become 0 and here's the row. So first row didn't change, so 1, 2, 0, negative 4, negative 5, 3. Second row so didn't change, so 0, 1, negative 2, negative 12, negative 16, and 5. And then 0 plus 0, 0, negative 1 plus 0, 0, 2 plus negative 2, 0, 12 plus negative 12, 0, 16 plus negative 16, 0, and this one also 0, here also 0, so ni sama kan, negative 1, 2, 12, dia sama je dengan atas tu, so become 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then apa yang kena buat, so leading one dia kat sini. Alah, okay, so leading one dia dekat sini. Okay, so therefore yang sebelah sini tak payah nak tengok. Okay, so next step. Okay, so our next step is make it this one become 0, 2. Okay, so to make it that one become 0, so we use row number 1 minus 2 row 1, 2 row 2, and put back at row number 1. Okay, so we have, so 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus by 2, 0, 0 minus by 2 times by negative 2 plus 4, so become 4, negative 4 plus by 24 become 20, and then negative 5 plus by 32, so 32, 27, and then 3 minus by 15, negative 12. Okay, okay, so 3 minus by 2 times 5, saya dah salah. Okay, so negative 2 times by 5, negative 10, so 3 minus by 10, 3 minus by 10, negative 7. Okay, and the rest didn't change, so 0, 1, negative 2, negative 12, negative 16, 5, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so kita dah siap. So this is the reduce row echelon form. So yang atas ni tak kosong pun tak, sebab kita tengok tadi kat mana leading one dia. Okay, so reduce row echelon form ni, bawah leading 1 dengan atas leading 1 dia kosong, yang lain tu tak kisah. Okay, so leading 1 kita dapat yang ni, bawah ni dah tak ada leading 1 sebab dia kosong dah, kita tak boleh nak buat leading 1, so stop dekat sini. So kita buat atas dia ni kosong. Okay, so yang lain biar. Okay, jauh sangat tadi sampai ke atas mana. So dia nak determine the null space and column space. Okay, so for the null space, okay, so this one, okay, so use back substitution. So you will have here x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you will have 1x1, 0x2, plus 4x3, and then plus 20x4, plus 27x5, and minus 7x6 is equal to 0, because this one is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Then second one, we have x2 minus 2x3 minus 12x4 minus 16x5 plus 5x6 is equal to 0. So kita tengok yang mana yang ada leading one. So yang ada leading one, this one and this one, so which is x1 and, so this one for x1, this one for x2, so x1 and x2. Okay, so yang lain tu adalah free variable. Okay, so for the free variable, okay, so first for the x3, so x3 we let as t, x4 is equal to s, x5 is equal to r, and x6 is equal to, nak pakai apa? Tak cukup kan? Pakai je lah e. Okay, so using e. Okay, so saya pause kejap tadi sebab ada azan. Okay. Okay, so now we already have the free variable is equal to this one, x1, x2. Okay, so now we can write down as x1 is equal to, okay, so minus 4x3 minus 20x4 minus 27x5 and plus 7x6. So which is equal to x3 just now is t. So negative 4t minus 20x4 is s minus 27x5 is r, and then plus 7x6 is a. Then for the x2, so I have here 2x3 plus 12x4 plus 16x5 minus 5x6. So which is equal to 2, x3 is t, okay, and then plus 12x4 is s, and then plus 16x5 is r, and then minus 5 by 5 a, and x3 is equal to t, x4 is equal to s, x5 is equal to r, and x6 is equal to a. And then write down in terms of column matrix. Okay, so we have here, so x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. So this equal to, okay, so for the first variable, okay, so kita tengok x1, first dia adalah negative 40. Okay, so negative 40, x2 we have 2t, and then x3 is t. For the x4 there is no t, so 0. x5 also no t, 0. x6 also no t, so 0. Plus, and then second one negative 20s. For x2 12s. And for x3 there is no s, so 0. And x4 there is s, so s. And then x5, x6 there is no s, so 0 and 0. And then plus, third one after s is r, so negative 27r. And then for x2 we have 16r. x3, x4 there is no r, so 0, 0. And x5 is r, and x6 no r, 0. Plus last one, which is 7a. So 7a, and then x2 negative 5a, and then x3, x4, x5 there is no a, so 0, 0, 0, and x6 is a. Okay, so therefore it is equal to, and then factor out t, so t outside, so we have negative 4, so negative 4 to 1, 0, 0, 0, then plus factor out s, so we have here negative 20, 12, 0, 1, 0, 0, then plus factor out r, so we have here negative 27, 16, 0, 0, 1, 0, and plus a, so 7, negative 5, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So therefore this is the, okay, so this is the solution space for A. Okay. Panjangnya sih, memang panjang pun. Okay. So solution space ataupun null space. Okay. So boleh tulis ataupun null space. Okay. So null space for A. Okay, and then for the column space, okay, so column space, just now we have, okay, tak sambung semula soalan question B. Okay, sebelum ni saya pause sebab bateri dah habis, okay, so sorry. Okay, so next question is about the column space. Okay, so for the column space, okay, so kita tak adalah nak reduce dia sampai reduce row echelon form. So we just take this matrix. Okay, so kita just sampai sini saja untuk row column space. Tak sampai habis pun tak apa, sebab kita nak ada leading one. So yang bawah ni dah tak ada leading one dah. Okay, so copy. Okay, so saya copy yang ni balik. Okay, so ataupun saya delete yang bawah ni. So korang dah salin kan. Okay, so wait. Okay, so for the column space, okay, so let's say this one is matrix B. Okay, so from matrix B, column 1 and column 2 will form a basis for row space of B. Okay, row space pula, column space. Okay, so for the column space of B, so therefore column 1 and column 2, which is, okay, so column 1, column 2 untuk matrix A, so kita ada, okay, so which one? Hilang pula. Okay, okay, so sambung yang tadi lagi. So column 1 and column 2. Okay, so from the matrix A, so mana matrix A? Okay, so this one. So we have negative 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, so negative 1, 3, 2, 4. So negative 1, 3, 2, 4. And another one is, another one is 2, negative 7, negative 5, negative 9. Okay, so 2, negative 7, negative 5, and negative 9. Okay, so this column 1, column 2 will form a basis for column space of A. Okay, okay, so the last one, soalan yang terakhir, find the rank and nullity of A. So rank of A related to the dimension of the column space. So B, dimension of column space A is 2, sebab dia ada 2 je basis dia. So therefore rank of A is equal to 2. And then for the nullity, so nullity, it is related to the basis of null space. Okay, so for the null space, okay, so this is the solution space. Okay, so for the null space, so we have the basis for the null space, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, so the basis for the null space is okay, so we have first, which is this one. Okay, so yang bawah ni, okay, so tengok ni. So negative 4 to 1 0 0 0. So negative 4 to 1 0 0 0. And then negative 20 12 0 1 0 0. And then negative 27 16 0 0 1 0. And last one is 7 negative 5 0 0 0 1. Okay, so therefore nullity of A so nullity of A is equal to 4 sebab kita ada 4 basis 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, so that's all. Itu saja. So that's all for our exercise today. So see you later. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.